refreshing bath together. They enjoy a refreshing bath together, ready for the day ahead. Nature smiles along their journey. They arrive at the village chicken shop.
Fresh ingredients for a big feast.
Nature smiles along their journey. Yes, it's perfect. Yes, it's perfect.
The feast is beautifully arranged, warm and ready to be shared.
இங்க வச்சிருக்கேன். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. நன்றி.
He follows with care, adding the perfect touch. They taste their creation. They taste their creation.
Yeah, Dippy.
Happiness spreads across the village. Peaceful evening arrives. Love blossoms like falling flowers. Love blossoms like falling flowers.